This is Heston Cleveland
and Ricardo Love.
And this is the Indy Hookup.
The Indy Hookup.
Hook me up, baby.
We got the hookup for you. For show now. The hookup on playlist. The hookup on radio. The hookup on internet radio. The hookup on interview. The hookup on college radio. The hookup on information you need. The Indy
Hookup.
Welcome to the Indy Hookup, y'all.
What's good, family?
This show, bro.
But I already know. The Indy Hookup.
You knew what I was going to say.
It's going above and beyond expectations.
Yes, sir.
Before we get started, family, I got to give a few shout outs and a few thank yous.
Okay.
For my mom's birthday party.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I got to thank you.
Thank you.
My co-host. Black Nova.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tesla Nate.
Yes, sir.
Lori Nebo. Our Buku family. For participating in the show.
Yes, nice. Very nice.
It was a great success.
It was. It was.
I actually saw a tear in my mom's eye.
Wow.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Now, my second thank you is for the new artists that have been submitting their music.
Yes, yes.
This show here, family, I promise you, maybe 13, 14 new songs never played.
Wow, wow.
On the Indie Hookup. We're growing. Thank you, artists, for submitting your music.
Yes, yes, sir.
So, I got to go through this lineup, family. Our first one is Exit Only. You Don't Get to Save Me. Ha ha. I'm trying to save myself, family. Then for my old rival, my new friend now, 2025, AYS London, Love My City.
Okay.
Then, the world is small, family. I got an artist here I hadn't heard from in about 20 years. Met him through my father and Rankin Screw. Sly Dunbar.
Okay.
Let's Party. Now this one here, Heidi Tan. I saw her logo, man, and I just asked her, I say, look, send me your music, please. And she sent me a remake, man. Baby Come Back.
Oh yeah, that's a classic. Let's hope she did it well.
That's a real classic, man.
Yes,
That's
yes.
a good one.
Yes.
Now I got a new artist, man, that has a couple of songs on here. You premiered it on Love Vibes.
Okay.
Karma Coda. Fire. That one's turning out to be one of my favorites. Carmelio, Sad Boys, Revelation. And then this one here, forgive me for trying to pronounce it. Slashy, Mystical, Magic. Then we got another new artist, Escape, See the Light. And then another one by Karma Coda.
Get it right.
Put a Little Love.
A lot of love.
I like that remake right there, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Then we got Terry Lynn and Anthony Red Rose. No Heathen. Ha! You old heathen.
Yo, fish eye fool.
Then we got a new one by Ro, Aura O.
Aura.
Last Time. Then I had to come back with a Stella Dawn.
Good artist.
Fiery. Then Ja Defender. Everywhere I Turn. That's another favorite one by, man, Then we got a comeback VOD. HFB Struggle. That's what happens sometimes when I try to read these new names. I be struggling.
For sure.
Then we gotta come with my go-to, my sister, halfway around the world. Nadira Noor Jahan.
Yes, love it.
With Comfort.
Like it.
That's it right there, family.
Okay.
A dynamite show.
Yes.
New music.
Yes.
Listeners, artists, keep sending in your music. 12 different radio stations.
12.
I lost how many times a week we play.
A lot.
We're on YouTube, iHeart, Deezer, Amazon Music. We build
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Exit. You don't get to save me.
Yo. Sometimes I like to sit back and just think. Let's go. Yo. Often wish I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. Often wish I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. I'm from a different place, where chasing the bag become a foot race to keep up the pace. Cause time run parallel in the same race in its own space. So keep your sneakers laced up, and watch them show their real face. And face it, we on grind time, some clock in time, but ain't no time to waste. Protect the heart in this house of card, better keep it ace. And keep a watch for them faces when they turn to hate. And don't let them change up your fate. Wait, so the waiter ain't no patience. Wait up for my wait. I keep my head above them clouds and learn from my mistakes. Before I'm gone, that's when I'm gone. And you can drop that song that we recorded a year before your single receive a release date. See, it been fake. Often wish I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. Often wish I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. I'm from a world where they'll screw you over, then ask you for a favor. Talk about you behind your back, then turn and praise you when they face you. See, a trader is a trader, with a stockholder of Bitcoins. You can't play a player, lower aim, just good game. Cause when they think the same, cruising in the wrong lane, you watch reflections change, can't sustain a lane. I'm from a different place where only Karens be caring. No help is available, brotherly love can't enable. Toxic leads to conflict, emotions are unstable. They living their lives, living a lie, believing in fables. They like to sit and watch the roads die and pass by. But he rose up from the dirt, a hero in the villain's eye. Why try? Often wish I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. Often wish I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. AKJ Production. 16 bars. It's your boy. Let's go.
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Karma Coda with Fire.
Rolling through the hills, you're on my mind. Looking at the bay, got me so blind. Thinking about you, baby, cause you're driving me crazy. Straight up chilling in the backseat, headed out to Vegas in a limousine. Pretending like the future ain't but a dream. Betting on forever, wondering if we will remember. I'd buy a ticket to anywhere. As long as you're there, boy, I don't care. It's something only you and I could share. No regrets from the time we shared. We were just kids playing truth or dare. Fresh on my mind, we'll leave it there. You put the fire in me. 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 Ooh, oh. Living out our saga in an affair. Rolling through the night cause we don't care. Playing love games, no one compares. Our time was pretty hazy, I pretended I'm your lady. Living in a messed up reality. Pretending like your future included me. Thinking about my name in a marquee. I left you for a reason, thinking we were just a season. Grass ain't always greener on the other side. Part of my soul shriveled up and died. Living out of state really changed my mind. I'm just a phone call away from you. Lying through my teeth cause it wasn't true. I played this whole role with so much to prove. You put the fire in me. You put the fire in me. Ooh, oh. You put the fire in me. You put the fire in me. Ooh,
Up next, Heidi Tan with Baby Come Back.
Spending all my nights, all my money going out of the town. Doing anything just to get you off my mind. When the morning comes, I'm right back where I started again. Try and forget you, it's just a waste of time. Baby, come back. Any kind of fool could see there was something in everything about you. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. empty feeling again. I wish to God that you were here. Baby, come back. Any kind of fool could see there was something in everything about you. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me, 'cause I was wrong and I just can't live without you. No, no, no. Now that I put it all together, give me a chance to make you see. Have you used up all the love in your heart? Nothing left for me, nothing left for me, nothing left for me. Baby, come back. Any kind of fool could see there was something in everything about you. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me, 'cause I was wrong and I just can't live without you. I was wrong and I just can't live. Baby, come back.
The Indy Hookup. Up next, Ash London. Love My City.
Outcast music, real life. Free the man them locked up behind bars. London, stand
And
up.
I'ma always love my city, love my, and I'ma always love my city, love my city, love my city, love my city. Make money, but don't act like I'm above my city.
I'm chasing the cash. My name spreads fast like a rash. 10 racks in a week, dog. No Ramadan when we blow money fast. The girl's taking a glance. I got this bad bitch and she just wanna beat. She was shocked when I told her the price of my sneaks. I spent 3 bags in a rave for jokes. I'm 20 years old, pulled up in a Range Rover. Black tints with a hot pipe in the glove. So it's peak if there's beef straight after the club. Every single day I gotta cash out. Money on my mind so I splash out. Weed so high made a fuss out. Took her back home, made a tap out. Then it's just back to the roads where I'm making my dough. Straight trapping these O's. Grow plants for a rose. And I'm still on my toes when I'm linking these hoes. Wait.
My city, love my, and I'ma always love my city, love my city, love my city, love my city. Make money, but don't act like I'm above my city. And I'ma love my city, love my, and I'ma always love my city, love my city,
the city. You can catch me on the roads, I be supplying to the nitties. You ain't heard shit, cause I be busy getting Lizzie and the yats come through. Cause they see me with the money, man, my god, I'm so loud. You calculate my clothes, sums up you pussies, you can catch me with some hoes. Oh, bagging up my eights from my O. I be moving that dope just to profit on some dough. You gon' see me shine through these times. Link up with my guys, bust a move for the grind. On this crazy shit, man, I planned in my mind. Might move to your gal, cause she looking too fine. My game is on point every time. Ladies lined up every day, waiting line. These dreams ain't a thing cause you got 'em. Got me laughing like a madman, like Joker from Gotham.
Love my city, love my, and I'ma always love my city, love my city, love my city, love my city. Make money, but don't act like I'm above my city. And I'ma love my city, love my, and I'ma always love my city, love my city, love my city, love my city. Make money, but don't act like I'm above my city.
The Indy Hookup. This is Fiery by Estella Dawn.
Roll me a cigarette, put me up on the counter. Push my hair up my face, tell me I look pretty when I'm not pouting at you. Smoke in the kitchen, you could cut it like the tension. Throw your hands in the air, ask me why I gotta be so cruel. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. No. Words are flying out my mouth. I'm trying not to let them out. But there's a fiery brunette down there. She'll come out, make you pull out your hair. She'll come out, make you pull out your hair. She'll come out, yeah. I know you think that I don't ever listen, but I remember every insult you've ever thrown my way. We're both shitty angels, we chose our direction. You feed off my doubts and I howl at you every day. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. No, no, no. Words are flying out my mouth. I'm trying not to let them. There's a fiery brunette down there. She'll come out, make you pull out your hair. She'll come out, make you pull out your hair. Ooh, she's coming out now. Pushing it's electric. There's a line and you crossed it. Know my flaws and you use them. So tell me who's the monster now. So you wanna meet my worst side? Time out, get you back with a black eye. Hold up, baby, can't you see the red light? I see the red line. They say blondes have more fun, but brunettes know how to rock a body. They say blondes have more fun, but brunettes know how to kill you dead. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. I don't know, I don't know, I don't. No. Words are
Up next, Camilio, Sad Boys Revelation.
My heart is struggling. It's as if everything wants on end. No, I can't not win. This is trouble. And this is something so truly awful. There is no end. I just can't ascend. Get the rebel. This is a sad boy's revelation. The saddest in all the land. I've lost all of my motivation. I hope that you can understand. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la la. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la la. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la la. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la la. And though I'm falling into this spiraling entanglement, I cannot help, I'm so no to all this, and it's everything. To all this, and it's everything. My heart is struggling. It's as if everything wants on it. No, I can't not win. This is trouble. And this is something so truly awful, there is no end. I just can't ascend. Hit the rubble. This is a sad boy's revelation. The saddest in all the land. I've lost all of my motivation. I hope that you can understand. This is a sad boy's revelation. The saddest in all the land. I've lost all of my motivation. I hope that you can understand. They don't understand I'm losing my mind all for you. They don't understand I'm running out of time all for you. I'm just hoping that you stay by my side. They don't understand I've lost all of my mind for you. My mind for you, oh. My mind for you, oh.
Indy Hookup. This is Nadira Noorjahan with Comfort.
So we can make it happen. life to give to you the love you give to me. And while some may not understand who we are, it's very clear to you and me. Moving righteously in our home, you are the king and I am your queen. It ain't weak for you to find your rest, so when you're tired, baby, come to me and let me be your comfort, baby. Let me hold you in my arms. Carry not your burdens all alone. I will be by your side. Let me be your comfort, baby. Let me hold you in my arms. Carry not your burdens all alone. I will be by your side. You wear the crown. I am your jewel of the night. You are the strength. I am your fire and your earth. You give me water when I thirst. Let me be your comfort, baby. Let me hold you in my arms. Carry not your burdens all alone. I will be by your side.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Sly Dunbar. Let's party.
Party people, if you're ready to go party, let's go party, let's go party, let's go party. Party people, if you're ready to go party, let's go party, let's go party.
It's a party, what's on my mind? Sipping Magnum and red wine. No mistaking, it's a night and dating. You know we gonna party like one of a kind. Into the party, you got to be bold. Step on the dance floor, lose control. While I'm flossing, all my ladies dancing. You know we gonna party like one of a kind. Me party in the summer, in the winter non-stop. Man a fit touch the road, come on a real top of top. Me neat and clean, watch how me woman them fat. Right now me got the city lock and them no better than that. Me swagger and me style, me drop it like it hot. I up the money coil and me vehicle intact. Some people them a watch say how that boy they so I tell them I love man a promoter hold me head up to the top. Me only concern, the music no slack. Select a keep it clean, me reputation charge up. Go tell taxi gang, we come on the block. We gonna party till the morning when the sun getting hot. It's a party, what's on my mind? Sipping Magnum and red wine. No mistaking, it's a night and dating. You know we gonna party like one of a kind. Into the party, you got to be bold. Step on the dance floor, lose control. While I'm flossing, all my ladies dancing.
We party in a foreign in Jamaica is the same. We spend a lot of money but we nah no complain. For little money spending is a part of the game. But if I'm money nah no rain, man isolate and reframe. Professor for your party that a fi me middle name. I'm here to end the stress, remove the trauma and the pain. Now give me the boring life, me want the bank. Now me na me brain, I am a party animal that me have to sustain. Some full up of themselves, well who is to be blamed? Stop worry about the troubles and the trials in the lane. Tonight we come for party and me want you feel the same. So put your hand up then, from the bar you are maintain. So party what's on my mind, sipping Magnum and red wine. No mistaking, it's a night and day thing. You know we gonna party like one of a kind. Into the party, you got to be bold. Step on the dance floor, lose control. While I'm flossing, all my ladies dancing. You know we gonna party like one of a kind. We party in the summer, in the winter non-stop. And if it touch the road, come on a real top of top. Me neat and clean, watch how me woman them fat. Right now me got the city lock and them no better than that. Me swagger and me style, me drop it like it hot. I want me money coil and me vehicle intact. Some people them a watch say how that boy they so I tell them I love man a promoter hold me head up to the top. Me only concern, the music no slack. Select a keep it clean, me reputation charge up. Go tell taxi gang, we come on the block. We gonna party till the morning when the sun getting hot. So party what's on my mind, sipping Magnum and red wine. No mistaking, it's a night and day thing. You know we gonna party like one of a kind. Into the party, you got to be bold. Step on the dance floor, lose control. While I'm flossing, all my ladies dancing. You know we gonna party like one of a kind.
The Indy Hookup. This is Terry Lennon and Anthony Red Rose with No Heathen.
This love's not right. Why? It's your one, your umbrella. Red rose, Terry Lennon. Oh, wah, 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 wah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. I shall not live amongst no heathen.
Your Bible could have never.
As far as red rose can see, appear for an enemy them. I shall not live amongst no heathen.
No heathen.
As far as we can see, appear for an enemy them.
Ragamuffin, now be careful how you spread your bed. Cause your best friend you greed will see you dead. Mind how you flexing, Lord. Little later man, your future now be right. I
shall not live amongst no heathen.
Never.
For as I can see a pure friend and indeed them. I shall not live amongst them. No. For as we can see a pure friend and enemy. Yeah. So when you give, and them get, them love it.
Love it bad.
Till one day, Mr. Get One come take a set.
So when you tell him that the fun's it done, then him want come juke you down. Still remember all the days gone by when you give him and you never did cry.
This world is mixed up. I shall not live amongst no heathen. Woo. As far as red rose can see a pure friendly people.
The Bible is real.
I shall not live amongst no heathen. As far as we can see a pure friendly people.
Look at we and smile with we. Pretend to be our friend. Just because we give a heart to who not think we don't got we own problem. But you're living in a mix-up world, trading life for diamonds and pearl. Wake up, see what's taking place. Come on, yeah.
I shall not live amongst no heathen. As far as I can see, up here for enemy them.
For real.
I shall not live amongst no heathen. As far as they're willing and see up your friendly be there. live amongst no Eden. For as I and I can see, your friend enemy, yeah, yeah. You hear me? I shall not live amongst them. So when you give, and them get, them love it. Till one day, Mr. Get One come take a set. And when you tell him that the fun is done, true greed won't gun you down. He didn't remember all the days gone by when you give him and you never did cry. This world is mixed up. Oh God, I know I shall not live amongst no heathen. As far as the linen can see, up here for any them. Oh yes, I shall not live amongst no heathen. Far as the linen can see, your friend enemy, yeah, yeah.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Job Defender. Everywhere I turn.
The victims were all asleep at their home at Larry Street Extension, Heights of Guanapo, with other members of the family, when several explosions were heard.
There's no love everywhere I turn. Oh boy, that's why the fire's got to burn. Why? Righteousness is my concern. One day the table's gonna turn. Lord, Rastafari have already. They are in a biggie and boot out on me lyrical gonna appear. Love me a shoot. Wicked rapid and them I forget execute. After me empty the clipper with the words of truth. I'm calling. Get to youths we calling. Don't play around, be a statistic in them system. Calling. Fire it is burning. Yeah. There's no love everywhere I turn. Oh boy, that's why the fire's got to burn. Why? Righteousness is my only concern. Lord, one day the table's gonna turn. When Rasta man a burn up them evil and them damn bloody feast. Then we trample corruption, put it under we feet. The eagle and the dragon, them go and get defeat. The conquering lion shall slew every beast. Jah, you're the only one, liberates my mind and free my soul. Down here in Babylon, they're running out of control. Oh yeah, there's no love everywhere I turn. Oh no, that's why the fire's got to burn. Fire. Yeah. One day the table's gonna turn. Yeah. Kings and queens just stand firm. But better treat people good and treat them fair. I'm talking to everyone out there. Nation against nation and gang warfare. Tell me what is really going on out here. Hey. Wicked man, them off you run. Enough of them can't face the fire burn. Them only bad with all them long gun. Not defend nothing at all, only folly and bangarang. Whoa, there's no love everywhere I turn. Oh boy, that's why the fire's got to burn. Yeah. One day the table's gonna turn. Yeah. Righteous children stand firm. Lord, oh boy, crying out to Lord. Boy, there's no love everywhere I turn. Oh yeah, that's why the fire's got to burn. Fire.
The Indy Hookup.
This is called HFB with Struggle.
I need to vent.
Chris Cube, play that
Yeah,
beat again.
I was grinding for a minute, I was looking for the work. My girl hit the road, put that shit into reverse. Looking back, wondering if she was just a curse. And even though I pray, every day it gets worse. In my thoughts, I don't know where to start. So caught up and confused, don't know how to part. I just walk away, but it still is so hard. Struggling to pay the rent, but the shit is too mud. Cause you don't know nothing but the life I've been living. And the only thing you see is the lies you're giving. All the sleepless nights really got me thinking, lost touch of the fam while I got so distant. They say when the money come, then I act different. But that is not the fact, so do not attack with it. I'm still the same, never change, play no whack gimmicks. Been real from the start and it's never gonna finish. Yeah, it's been a struggle, yeah, it's painful. I guess this is what my efforts pay for. But how can I escape? Cause I hate war, pray more, but it never changed, I remain sore. The pain in my heart got me stressed out. I'm just trying to survive, what's the best route? So tired, I can barely keep my chest out. Staying like a man, never wanna love, head south. Mahoya didn't know, hope she never hears the worst. Many sleepless nights had to put into this verse. Didn't think my girl could ever get me this hurt. At the bottom trying to climb through the rubble and the dirt. Gotta speak the truth, but they say it is haram. But I don't think the message in my lyrics doing harm. I just need to vent, tryna deal with all this scars. Stop judging what I do, I say leave it to Allah. A lot of shit is going on behind closed doors. Every day's a struggle, never winning by a score. Came a long way, fought so many wars. And I found a good way for my thoughts to be yours. I don't wanna hear about the luck that I have. My knees in the dirt and my hands really scabbed. I was down bad that they never gave cash. But the moment I am mass wealth, niggas talk trash. Yeah, it's been a struggle, yeah, it's painful. I guess this is what my efforts pay for. But how can I escape? Cause I hate war, pray more, but it never changed, I remain sore. The pain in my heart got me stressed out. I'm just trying to survive, what's the best route? So tired, I can barely keep my chest out. Staying like a man, never wanna love, head south. No FaceTime, don't phone me. If you don't help, you could leave me on my lonely. Yes, I got my own stress and my own grief. Not a little playground, I'm a grown G. I'm aiming for the skies with a full kip. You like aim, please miss I with the bullshit. Cause I'm tryna rise, get up through this. Don't try to start in my life, you're a nuisance. Yeah, it's been a struggle, yeah, it's painful. I guess this is what my efforts pay for. But how can I escape? Cause I hate war, pray more, but it never changed, I remain sore. The pain in my heart got me stressed out. I'm just trying to survive, what's the best route? So tired, I can barely keep my chest out. Staying like a man, never wanna love, head south.
The Indy Hookup.
Up next, Mystical Magic by Slash.
Mystical magic, you're my good habit. Everything you are, I got to have it all. My treasure, my prize, love is in your eyes. I'm telling no lies, oh. Turn my lonely nights into days of sunshine. The goddess I've been praying for has finally arrived. I mean you want, but are you me need? The way you feel, and the shape where me feel. Love is the deal. Open your heart, let my love reveal. Take your time, you blow my mind. You warm it up my body like a red wine. Love is the deal. Hug up my body, put the love on repeat. Pleasure me, baby, when it is raining. Moonlight passion, no time for complaining, no. When the cabin is rocking, no one should come knocking. The engine is started. Girl, you rock my world. You take me to another place. I'm trying, but I can't hide emotions on my face. I mean you want, but are you me need? The way you feel, and the same way me feel. Love is the deal. Open your heart, let my love reveal. Take your time, you blow my mind. You warm it up my body like a red wine. Love is the deal. Hug up my body, put the love on repeat. All I got is love for you, my queen. Mystical love is the deal. Open your heart, let my love reveal. Take your time, you blow my mind. You warming up my body like a red wine. Love is the deal. Hug up my body, put the love on repeat. Mystical magic, you're my good habit. Everything you are, I got to have it all. You're my treasure, my prize. Love is in your eyes, I'm telling no lies. Oh, you turn my lonely nights into days of sunshine. The goddess I've been praying for is finally arrived. I'm one, but I you me need. The way you feel, and the same way me feel. Love is the deal. Open your heart, let my love reveal. Take your time, you blow my mind. You warming up my body like a red wine. Love is the deal. Hug up my body, put the love on repeat.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Escape. See the light.
A million tears roll down her face. This time our heart, I'm sure, will never mend. He swore he'd never stray again. His empty promises remain. Will this be the final time? Is it really the end of the line? Silent prayers take to the wind. The broken vows and pieces on the ground. He swore she'd never rise again. And from the ashes, life begins. She lifts her head past all the lights, stares beyond the dark, and she cries. I don't need you anymore. I don't want you anymore. Been through hell and back, fought my way out of the night. I don't want you anymore. I don't need you anymore. Crossed behind the stars. I need to be the one who holds on, who looks on, who needs to see the The silent prayers take to the wind. The broken vows and pieces. I don't want you anymore. I don't need you anymore. I lived through all the lies. Now I see the clearing skies. I don't need you anymore. I don't want you anymore. I died 1,000 times. I need to be the one who holds on, who looks on, who needs to see the light. I don't need you anymore. My life without you will go on. Live behind the scars
is Karma Coda with Put a Little Love.
Every time I see the sunshine, I remember that you are mine. You got me on cloud nine. You know me, you pull and play my heartstrings. You feel the love that I bring. Love makes you wanna sing. So put a little love, put a little love, put a little love in your heart. Put a little love, put a little love, put a little love in your heart. Put a little love, put a little love, put a little love in your Unfolded, it's the way we come together. We're surviving all the weather. You are my golden treasure. Believe me when I tell you that I love you. Baby, you know that my heart's true. I'll always be here for you. So put a little love, put a little love, put a little love in your heart. Put a little love, put a little love, put a little love in your heart. Put a little love, put a little love, put a little love in your heart.
Alright, we ran out of time for this episode of the Indy Hookup. We'll catch you next time. You know you can listen to anybody, anytime, and you're here with us now. Thank you. We appreciate you. From Heston Cleveland and Ricardo Love, we thank you for listening to
The Indy Hookup.